Hey guys, so I got a quick trick to make some extra side cash. So basically what I do is I go on the Craigslist the free section and find some old landscape equipment that people are giving away, or just drive around town and find them on the side of the curb. I pick them up, and then you can usually get a rebuild kit on Amazon for around $15. So that includes an air filter, a spark plug, and the carburetor. 9 times out of 10, when you throw them on, they'll start right up, and then you can sell them back on Craigslist for somewhere between $50 to $75. So it's a quick and easy way to make some extra side cash. So let's go ahead and do a quick tune-up on a HEDGE trimmer here, and then I'll give you another tip at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and do something that wasn't a part of the tune-up kit, which is clean the stator. So let me show you how to go about doing that as well. So as you can see, that was pretty easy to do. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes to do the whole tune-up on it. And then once you do the tune-up, you can sell it for, like I said, usually between $50 to $75, depending on what the item is. Lawnmowers go for more than like a weed whacker or a hedge trimmer or a blower. And then you can also sell them on Craigslist, like I said before. Another good spot to try and sell them is also Facebook Marketplace. I've had some success with that as well. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. It takes little to no time. There's not very much downside. You know, if it doesn't start, you can just throw it out. You lost maybe $10 or $15 on the tune-up kit, but 9 times out of 10, you'll be good to go.